Cupboards of Kithgard. Guess we got what we need. Break open a cupboard under 7 statements. Let's do it. You can perform any action before a wild true loop. Alright, so looks like we're gonna be running up, right, down, and then just beating this cupboard. Let's go. There may be something around to help you. Like what? Let's talk about that. What you mean there's something around? Well, of course I'm gonna get beat. Is there a light? What do you mean there's something around to help me? Looks like I'm gonna get beat. I guess. Okay, so let's move up. Move right twice. Move down. And then we're just gonna start beating on this cupboard. Hero attack. Cupboard. So how am I gonna not get beat up by these? Let's see. I hope she's running fast. Oh, they're going kind of slow. Okay. Because I was about to say. Oh, a skeleton popped out. Oh. Alright. Who is he fighting? That's cute. So you can always do actions, or you can always write code before the while loop. Anything that happens after the while loop goes into a continuous cycle.